Is there an art to writing the perfect caption for your social posts? Yes, there is. Can your Facebook captions be used on TikTok too? No, they cannot. Hi, Chandler here, Thryv's social media manager. Welcome to my crash course on writing thumb-stopping captions for your social platform. Before we get down to it, if you like this content, don't be shy, let us know by liking, subscribing, and tapping that little bell. Oh, and we've got a whole bunch of resources for you down in the description. Check those out too. Alright, for crafting a captivating caption, a principle I find helpful is to think of each channel as having its own personality. Shall we dig in? Facebook is a hub where people with specific interests like to hang out. Groups dominate this platform, from your neighborhood watch to plant parents. So how do you write captions that can appeal to a very particular audience? Well, Facebook is a great platform for connection and conversation. To craft a caption that drives engagement, try opening with a story or posing an interesting question. Then ask your audience to weigh in. For example, say you're a landscaper. You can ask your audience what they do to prepare their yard for spring. Most importantly, keep the conversation going by responding to your comments. This is a great time to share your services or offerings too. Keep in mind, shorter posts between 50 and 70 words work best. And hashtags, while they can get more eyes on your posts and make them more searchable to users, should not be used excessively. Instagram is all about the aesthetic, and your captions should match the vibe. How can you write a colorful caption? Well, line breaks can give them an almost poetic feel, while emojis can bring life to your captions to go along with your fun and vibrant photos or videos. Now, listen carefully. Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but you should not use nearly that many. For one, 30 hashtags can make your post look spammy, a total vibe killer. And two, Instagram's head, Adam Mosseri, said it's unlikely the increased number of hashtags will get you more views. So don't hashtag dump in the hopes of going viral. Instead, use one or two to target your specific audience. What about calls to action? Since Instagram doesn't allow for in-caption linking, it's best to direct your audience to follow the link in your bio. Here you can store all of your links through a program like Linktree. Another idea for a creative call to action is to drive engagement to your piece by asking users to comment, share, or even save the post. While LinkedIn is the most professional of the social media platforms, your captions shouldn't read like a letter to your boss's boss's boss. Dear distinguished sir. No. When writing a caption for LinkedIn, try to keep your message in one of these three categories: coach, creator, or curious. Don't panic when I tell you that captions can be up to 3,000 characters. This is an opportunity for you to try your hand at microblogging, which is a great way to share your industry expertise without the daunting task of writing a full-on blog post. But you may be thinking, LinkedIn only shows the first 210 characters before the See More button pops up. That's right. You can use that button to your advantage. Beginning your content with an intriguing hook and captivating your audience's attention will prompt them to click that little button to keep reading and, ultimately, increase the chances of your reader following through with your call to action. Have a good gift or meme to share? Twitter is the platform to have fun, and it's a great place to announce new products or services, since more than half of Twitter's users are more likely to be the first to purchase new products. It's also the best channel to form a brand voice that your audience will come to know and interact with. So how does one write Twitter captions with this in mind? Short and simple always wins. And because your hashtags count towards your posts, be sure to be savvy with them. Twitter also makes it easy to weave calls to action into your copy by allowing inline links. Just be sure to use a link shortener like bit.ly to keep your posts tidy. Last, when sharing a piece of content, get creative with your caption. Say you've got a new product coming or a new blog you've just posted. Don't take the easy way out and simply write the title of your content as the caption. Tease it with an interesting factoid or tidbit, like this. Do you read the captions when scrolling on TikTok? While the app is content first, caption second, crafting a caption for the short-form video platform is a subtle art. Witty one-sentence captions are the way to go. And since hashtags count towards the character limit, make sure you niche them down, then niche them down again. TikTok is all about building small communities. For instance, are you a hashtag small business? Yes, but be even more specific. Try hashtag house cleaning or hashtag yoga poses. Whatever your service, your goal is to connect with people who are looking for exactly what you do, like this. I know I've thrown a lot at you. To recap, always lead with a hook. Start that first sentence strong. Keep your audience intrigued and aim for engagement. Get crafty with your hashtags and calls to action. And last, remember, the best thing to do is trial and error your captions to see what your audience responds to best. If you're wondering how to juggle being your own social media manager while running a business, I've got good news. You don't have to manage your social channels alone. This is where smart software can be a lifesaver. So what are you waiting for? Those captions aren't going to write themselves. See you next time.